Welcome. My name is Thomas Letchford, aka Taxman 88, and I'm here to share my 4-day video series, part 3 of the tax preparation training process that I take my clients through who look to start their own tax preparation business. When it comes to doing what I do, for whatever reason, individuals decide they want to start their own tax preparation business. They come to me from different backgrounds. Some come with prior skills and training already, and some come with a business already set up who have no prior skills or training already, but they at least have their tax preparation business set up already, and they need the support and training that I offer through my mentorship and coaching program to help them build successful tax preparation service. Then I have people who come to me who want to start their own tax preparation business for whatever reason with no prior skills, knowledge, or training, but for whatever reason they selected this industry as a business model that they want to get started in. And so this 4-part video training series was designed to educate and show the individuals who fall into that category of having no prior training or skills or experience what it's going to take for the process of setting up your own tax preparation business when it comes to the tax preparation skills and training process that you have to go through, the knowledge and how it looks, the actual training lessons that I actually use for my students, they get access to, so they get to find out up close and personal, is this the right business model they want to embark on for us starting a business with when it comes to tax preparation. And so that's what this 4-part video series was designed to do, was to definitely educate the one who looking to start their own tax preparation business, but really, regardless if you have prior experience or training at all, I will using my 4-part video series to help educate potential clients who look to start their own tax preparation business by letting them know up close and personal what the process is like when it comes to walk you through set up your own business, when it comes to the tax preparation skills and training modules and what that looks like and the information that's involved in that. And can you actually interpret and understand what you're reading and be able to successfully acquire the knowledge and skills when it comes to basic tax preparation is what it's really all about. And so I've been in the tax preparation industry for the last 19 years, 13 years as a business owner. And so I specialize in helping new people who want to start their own tax preparation business get started from scratch. I help fast track your success. I help you to get somewhere much quicker and faster and efficient than you can ever get on your own knowledge and skills. And so that's the solution I bring to the marketplace. That's the whole concept of what my mentorship and coaching program is about. It's designed to help people who want to start their own tax preparation business, but they understand they don't want to have to do it on their own. They understand they don't want to have to try to figure this all out. They understand that the quick and easy and sufficient way is to invest in themselves by investing in someone else, mentorship or coaching or consulting style services that's designed to help you get a result much quicker and much faster than you can ever get on your own. And so that's the shift that we are inside of our economy right now, that there's so many people able to leverage the internet by coming here and learning some skills and some knowledge and taking their pre-existing skills and knowledge to add with it to where they can shift their business and have an internet presence where they can start to generate income from using the internet. For years, I had a brick and mortar tax preparation business, but I didn't make any money as a result of having an online presence by using the internet because I didn't know how. And so I just was confined and satisfied with the results I was getting in my local market because I lived in the Midwest / big city / Chicago, where millions of people lived, and making money from tax preparation services wasn't a problem for me. You know, I generated $40,000 in my first year, and from there I never looked back when it came to my income just going up and up and up, because it was all about the numbers. It was all about putting yourself in front of so many people that you can do their taxes with, where you can generate life-changing income. And that's what I was able to do over the course of my career. You know, and so when it comes to doing what I do and teaching the basic income tax course in my local market from my office for so many years, I decided to develop a mentorship and coaching program that's designed to help individuals who want to start their own tax preparation business. And so for whatever reason, we had clients who wanted a job working with us, but they didn't understand this was a career industry. Tax preparation, taxation is a career industry by itself, and the type of money you can make by acquiring the knowledge and skills in this industry is life-changing to you and can be life-changing to the people you can help by offering tax preparation services to help your ideal client. And once you get educated and find out who your ideal client is, then you can put a message together that speaks to your ideal client. So those are some of the things I learned by working with a mentor who helped me to bring my brick and mortar business to the internet to start to get the results I'm getting with my mentorship and coaching program. And so also what I'm doing, I'm bringing out another program before this year's out that's designed to help maximize your profits for small business owners through tax deductions. And so that program will be launching and coming out. And as we get close to that time frame, I'll be promoting that more and more and talking about it more and more. But right now, I'm basically still promoting my mentorship and coaching program as we end out the fourth quarter, as we get close to the tax season. This is the national time for tax preparation companies across the nation to bring their people in, and they start training them to get ready for the 2020 season, which starts in January of 2021. And so this is the time for everybody to make that happen. So H&I Blog, Jackson Hewitt, independent mom and pop firms and tax firms across the nation are basically bringing their people in, either in-house or do Zoom or some online method to give them the training they need to get them ready for the upcoming tax season so they can be ready. And so with all the things going on with the COVID-19 situation, a lot of businesses was forced to make the adjustment to be able to have their people work from home. So that was a learning experience for a whole lot of business who wasn't used to that. But I've been working online and from home for years. So this transition from working from home using online strategies was never new to me. Nothing changed inside of my business as far as the way I did business when it comes to working with people who stayed in my state as well as across different states. And that's the thing about what was happening with the new situation with the COVID-19 pandemic affecting so many businesses across the nation, where they were forced to either shut down altogether based on what type of industry or niche you was in, or they were able to modify and adjust their business to where they still was able to generate some type of income without completely shutting down through using strategies where they had to shift their business to online marketing and internet strategies that would allow them to still get themselves in front of people, where people can still place orders online, people can still do business online, which is the way to help a lot of businesses stay in business on some type of level. And so when it comes to doing what I do and offering what I offer, you can Google how to start your own tax preparation company or firm, whatever words you want to choose, and you'll get so many search results concerning that, but you still have to go out and figure out what information is relevant to you and who you want to use to help you make that happen. And you can go to YouTube, which is a search engine, and put in how to start your own tax preparation business and get a whole lot of videos that talk about how to start your own tax preparation business. But if you're going to YouTube, you're doing your due diligence, you're doing your research, there's only a handful of people who have their actual own program where they're showing you how to start your own tax preparation business. A lot of the information is just how to. They give you information on how to make it happen, and you got to go out there and carry it out. So that's what it's all about when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business. I'm the only one in this industry who's marketing themselves from a personal brand standpoint, who actually has knowledge and skills and insight to help you get started with your own tax preparation business off a full service solution. Meaning, if you need tax preparation skills, I'm here to help you learn that. If you want to set up your own tax preparation business, I'm here to walk you through that. So I'm the one that's going to walk you through everything you need to do and become to have a successful, profitable, sustainable tax preparation business for yourself. I'm the one who has that program already in place. A lot of people don't have that. You have people who might offer similar products and services designed to help you start your own tax preparation business, but a lot of those people are outsourcing those to other vendors because they don't have the knowledge and skills to even teach you how to do basic tax preparation. So they can't offer you something they don't know how to do. So they're going to send you over to another site that's going to administer you tax preparation training or bookkeeping training, but they're not the ones that's actually teaching that. And don't get me wrong, I'm not the jack of all trades, master of none myself. My wheelhouse and my expertise is strictly in the area of starting and building your own tax preparation business. And I'm have the knowledge and skills because I've taught a basic tax preparation course in my local area for over 15 years. So I can actually teach that course to people who want to learn basic tax preparation skills and show you what to do once you build a foundation when it comes to gaining the knowledge. And where we go from there is gaining more knowledge. So when it comes to doing what I do, it's all about building a basic foundation first of having basic tax preparation knowledge and skills that you can build on, and then from there help you and assist you with setting up your own tax preparation services, and you become a legit tax service where you can go out here and market yourself in such a way to get your own clientele in the door. And so that's the solution that I bring to the marketplace for people looking to start their own tax preparation business, that I help you set up your tax preparation business. There's 4 steps to that. I help you learn basic tax preparation knowledge and skills that you're gonna build on and grow on and learn more on, so you can generate more income as time goes on. Then I can help you learn how to market yourself in a strategic way that's gonna allow you to go ahead and get your own clientele, that's gonna help build your business where you're gonna make more money as a result of being able to go out here and go get your own clientele. And so that's the key to that. I don't care what business model you have, I don't care what industry you're in, I don't care what niche you're in. All businesses have one thing in common: they need clients/customers in order to be successful. And so if you don't know how to go out here and get your own clients inside your business, then you basically at the mercy of just having a business set up, but not knowing how to go out there and get clients for your business. And so when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program, it's a full service solution to helping you get started from A to Z, from scratch, fast track your success to where 18 months later, you have a foundation laid and set where you out here generating income on your own knowledge and your own skills, on your own potential when it comes to the things you've learned, when it comes to setting up your own tax preparation business. And so that's what you get with working with me that you don't get anywhere else. A lot of people, like I say, they don't have the skill sets and knowledge that I possess when it comes to the mentorship and coaching program that I have. And I have a lot of people who run across a whole lot of other people who claim to have a mentorship and coaching program designed to help you start your own tax preparation business, and they find out that these people don't really have what they say they have. They don't really possess the knowledge and skills they say they have, and they find out after they've invested their money with these individuals that they didn't come through on their promise that they made. And so that's what you got to be careful about when you're out here looking to start your own tax preparation business. You got to do your due diligence. You got to do your research, because like I did in the video on my channel last night, where I Googled how to start your own tax preparation business on Google. I picked one of those search results. The first 3 search results were ads. Those are people who pay to be there. And so I clicked on one of the websites, and it's a website called Federal Direct Tax Express, which has a program designed to help you start your own tax preparation business. But the problem with that concept is, once you click on the link to a website that's all about helping you start your own tax preparation business, and they have some information to read on, then any questions or concerns you may have, now you have to try to get in touch with someone and hope the person that's on the other end has the integrity and honesty to be truthful with you on the information that you've already read on their website. You don't have that problem with me, because see, I'm branding myself. I'm not branding the company. I'm not branding my company name. I have a company name, but it ain't about my company name. It's about me. I am the company. Without me, there is no company. So when it comes to doing what I do, is all about personal relationships, about building personal relationships with people who are going to do business with me. And so what you're seeing right now is the 1040 form. That's the basic form that we use to prepare all tax returns with. And so when it comes to teaching people how to prepare basic income taxes, this is the #1 form we use for that. And then I'm going to show you a few other forms before the video is over that you're going to need to be able to prepare returns by hand, by having the right resources. And so when it comes to having the right resources, this is one of the resources you need, which is the 1040. The tax table is another resource. The earned income tax credit table is another resource. And so a pen and paper is another resource. Those things you need to be able to sit down with someone, ask them enough information when it comes to the type of income they have, how much income they have, having the total income they have, how many children they have, and gather enough information where you can sit down with a client and be able to do a basic tax preparation return estimate right there on the spot. That's the type of knowledge and skills that I help clients possess who's serious about doing what I do. So if you're serious about doing what I do, if you're serious about learning what I'm learning, and if you're already in the industry working for a tax firm and you know that your financial capabilities of making more money is being capped already because you're not even making the type of money you want to make during tax season, then the next move would be for you is to start your own tax preparation business. And it's not difficult when you got someone that's guiding you through that process. It's not difficult when you got somebody who walk you through how to make it happen. It's not difficult when you got somebody who's gonna let you leverage their 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, and getting started. It's not difficult when you got someone who's gonna sit down with you and explain to you the process of setting up a legit tax service. It's not difficult when you got that type of training and support in front of you that's gonna help you make it happen. It's not difficult if you have a hard desire to start your own tax preparation business and you want to learn basic tax preparation skills and you got someone that's gonna help teach you, help you make that happen. It's not difficult when you got that type of support on your team. And so that's the reason you want to reach out and invest in yourself through mentorship and coaching. That's gonna help fast track your success. That's gonna help you get a result that's gonna take you too long to get on your own efforts. So that's why you want to invest in mentorship and coaching to get you started with your tax preparation business, because that's the thing that's gonna get you somewhere much quicker, much faster, much sooner than you can ever get on your own. And so that's the smart person who gonna understand that I want to get somewhere. See, I want to get somewhere in life. And if I know if I had to count on me to get somewhere in life that I would never get there, then I'd be a fool to keep sitting around waiting to get somewhere knowing I can't get myself there. And so this is what this is about. This is about you understanding that I want to get somewhere in life. I want to be something in life. I want to accomplish some things in life. And I know on my own skills, on my own knowledge, and my own understanding, I'm sufficiently help myself get where I want to go. So if you understand that about yourself, then the next move is to go out and find someone who can help you get somewhere where you want to go that you know you can't take yourself. And so I can help you take yourself to a whole nother level when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business and showing you how to make a gang of money in this industry if you're willing to take action, if you're willing to follow my lead, if you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to show up in the way you need to show up to allow yourself to be successful in this industry is the key to that. You know what I'm saying? The key to your success will be you, not me. Your key to your success will be you, not me. The key to your success or failure in life will be you, not me. And you got to understand those things. So the first thing you got to do is make up your mind and say, yes, I want to make this my new way of life. I won't give up. Giving up is not an option. I found the right mentor coach who has what it takes that's going to help me to be successful inside of this industry. And long as I got that type of support on my side, there's no way I can fail. And then from there, you just want to take action and stay busy all the way through until the ride is over with. And then understand that once you start your own business, you got to keep investing in you each and every day until you decide to retire, till you decide to quit, till you decide to give up, till you decide to die, till you decide to just say, I had enough. The bottom line is this is going to be an ongoing investment in you. And when we talk about investing in something, we're looking for a return on something. So if you invest in me, by investing in yourself through my mentorship and coaching program, the return you're going to get from that is number one, you're going to walk away with a full-fledged, too legit to quit tax preparation service. Two, you're going to walk away with the knowledge and skills needed to run and operate your own tax preparation service. And you're going to walk away with the skills and knowledge needed to go out and get your own clientele for your tax preparation service where you don't ain't dependent and counting on somebody else to make that happen for yourself. You want to be self-sufficient entrepreneur / business owner when it comes to doing what I do. You don't want to have to count on too many things to make your business be successful. We got tools and resources and things we're going to use to help streamline what we do inside of our business. But those tools and resources are designed to make business much more smooth and effortlessly and make the process much more enjoyable to even do business with in the first place. But they weren't intended for you to count on those things for being the reason why you're going to be successful inside this industry. The success you're going to obtain is going to come through you and your efforts and you being willing to invest in you with the knowledge and skills needed to become a too legit to quit tax service. And so when they come to the 1040 form, this is the main form we use to do all tax returns with. And I'm going to show you a couple other forms that I talked about. This here is the tax table that I'm showing you. And this is the table you need to be able to look up how much taxes a person may owe on their net income once you decide what their net income is going to be. This is the earned income credit tax table that I'm finna show you. And this is another resource you need to be able to prepare individual income taxes, especially if you're doing it by hand, especially if you're not counting on tax software. And we learn how to do these things by hand first, even though we're using online internet training strategies. We want to be able to prepare taxes by hand, get a better understanding of what we're doing. And so that's the whole concept of what I do when it comes to teaching people how to acquire the knowledge and skills of basic tax preparation. So right now I'm scrolling down so I can get to the EIC tax table that you need to understand that exists to help you to find out what type of earned income tax credit an individual may qualify for based on their filing status, how many children they have, and how much money they made. And so that's what that's really all about. And so this is the table for that. You know what I'm saying? And then the next thing is, this is Schedule 1, additional income and adjustments to income. Schedule 2, additional taxes. Schedule 3, additional credits and payments. So when it comes to doing what I do, I help clients learn how to prepare basic income tax returns, gain the knowledge, gain the skills, and build on top of that. So if you're looking to build on top of that, you got to get a foundation set with the basics first and understand that, hey, from there, we keep learning, we keep growing, we keep evolving to get where we're trying to go. The more knowledge and skills you have in this industry, the more money you can make. And if you decide to specialize in something, the more money you can make. Because if you can position yourself as a person who specializes, for example, helping real estate investors make more money or save more money, then you can get a premium price for that. If you specialize in working with real estate buyers, with people who got real estate income, then you can make more money with that. So if you position yourself as providing a specialty in any certain industry or niche, then you can require premium pricing for your services. And so that's where we at inside the economy shift by using the internet, by leveraging the internet, being able to get premium prices for the knowledge and skills that you bring to the marketplace by working with your ideal client. But you got to first understand who your ideal client is. And what I understood years ago was that everybody who filed a tax return isn't my ideal client, because the reason I say that is you got people who fall into the category of they want their taxes hooked. They want their taxes done illegally. They want them done wrong. They want you to give them a hookup on it. That's not your ideal client. You know what I'm saying? So the ideal client that you're looking for is simply a person who wants their tax preparation done accurately and professionally based on their individual situation. That's who your ideal client should be. Not someone who's gonna come approach you and say, hey, can you hook me up? Can I get an extra $10,000 refund? And I give you an extra $400 or $500 to do that. That's not your ideal client. That's just a way of going to jail much quicker. That's about it. So when it comes to teaching what I teach, showing you what I show, and do what I do, you get the full package. You get the full services of starting your own tax preparation business by working with me. And that's what separates me from the men, from the boys. That's what separates me from people who claim to have a business that's designed to help you get started, that they don't come close to what I do. They don't come close to what I offer. And that's the confidence and that's the confidence I have in myself from being in the industry as long as I have. So when it comes to helping you start your own tax preparation business, I got the goods to help you make it happen. And if you got the belief and the harsh desire inside of you to get started and take action, then by the time January of 2021 comes, I can help you have a full-fledged, too legit to quit tax service. I can help you acquire the basic tax knowledge needed to be able to go out and prepare individual income tax returns, and then give you the support you needed on the back end as we get into tax season itself, which starts in January, where clients gonna coming through your door because you're gonna know how to go out there and get your own clientele. Help you to be able to service them clients because you're new and inexperienced to the different type of returns that's gonna come to your door through your marketing efforts. I'll be there to have your back. I'll be there to help you prepare those returns accurately and professionally based on the individual situation. That's gonna help you look like the greatest of all time in their eyes. Because when it comes to getting started, let your warm market know that, hey, I'm getting started. I'm starting my own tax preparation business, but I'm not doing it by myself. I got a mentoring coach that's been in this industry 19 years, 13 as a business owner, who's had their own mentorship and coaching program that's helping me get started. So I won't be doing this by myself. And so if you don't have a tax professional that you go to that you're happy with, please consider giving me some of your business this upcoming tax season, and you hit them with a card. That's how simple your approach can be, especially with people who already know of you. So when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business, when it comes to learning the basic tax preparation skill and knowledge, these are some of the basic things you need to have in your possession just to even get started. And like I said, the tax table is one, the earned income credit EIC table is another, the 1040 form, pen, paper, and simply having enough information from your client to get the results you need to help them understand what type of refund or balance due they may have coming is what it's really all about. So when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business, if you want to know more, if you got any questions or concerns, if you've been holding back or procrastinating for whatever reason, I don't care what the reason is, reach out to me. Give me a call at 773-782-1320. Email me. More likely, you're already on my YouTube channel as a subscriber. More likely, you're already a friend on my Facebook account. More likely, you've been watching our videos already and you just haven't reached out yet. And it's time to take action. We got all of September that's left, October, November, December, and January to help you change your financial future by you being in control of that, by having a full-fledged tax preparation service, knowledge and skills to go with it, where you're going to go out there and be in charge of your own financial destiny. And I'll see you in my next video.